The talk is about monitoring machines, and maybe it is interesting for you to think about two things. One is, why should we? What is interesting in monitoring machines in a production line or in a factory? And the other one clearly is why it is so hard. So it's not, most factories are not monitoring their machines in the internet today. So this is also an important question. First of all, to make a little bit hungry for the idea, this is how your dashboard would look like if your factory would be monitored and you would have it on your laptop, on your smartphone, or on your computer. So what you can see here is a machine management dashboard. As you can imagine, green indicates everything is okay. Red and orange means something needs taking care. And this is how you will look at your factory or your production line once machines are being monitored by nowadays systems.